Number 5. Fluke 117. Volt Alert technology for non-contact voltage detection. AutoVolt automatic AC/DC voltage selection. DC millivolts, range, 600.0 millivolts, resolution, 0.1 millivolts. Low input impedance, helps prevent false readings due to ghost voltage. Large white LED backlight to work in poorly lit areas. True RMS for accurate measurements on non-linear loads. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Innova 3340. Designed to pinpoint engine problems, tests alternator diodes, duty cycle, solenoids, breaker points, wiring, switches and more. Features auto ranging, auto shut-off and overload protection. Measures up to 15 amps for device testing. 10 megohm input impedance, safe for electrical and automotive use, prevents damage to the vehicle's ECU. Includes temperature probe, inductive RPM clamp and carrying case. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. X-Tech EX330. Built-in non-contact AC voltage detector, NCV. Transmitter and receiver snap together for easy storage. Cat3 600 volts UL listed. Includes Type K temperature probe. Rubber holster protects meter. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. eTech City A1000. Readings are displayed clearly on a large, backlit LCD screen for quick convenience. The data hold mode keeps the current measurement on the display so the reading doesn't disappear right away. A removable rubber jacket around the multimeter keeps it durable and safe. When you need both hands for a task, hang the multimeter by its hook clip to keep it nearby. Conveniently check temperatures by using the included temperature probe and 2 test leads. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Astro AIT RMS 6000. Automatic shutdown. Magnet for fixation. Efficient automatic range. Efficient for professionals and amateurs. 7-function digital multimeter. Please check the description for details and best price.